Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use the Google Play Store or any browser on Motorola Moto E32s. And first let's try to identify the problem. Here, if we open any app on the Google Play Store and try to download it, like Pokemon Go right here, download won't even start, or when it actually does, it's stuck in a pending and won't begin actual download. So let's cancel it for now and move to the browser. And right here, if we try to reach any website, there'll be error like this. So now to fix it, you will need to open Settings, scroll all the way down and find System. Here enter date and time and click on Set Time automatically and choose Use Network Provided Time. From here, if you go back and try to download the game or refresh the page, it works fine. And the same is with the Google Play Store. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.